So I'm going to start. I'm Annie Thoe, and I'm here with my colleague, Carrie Lafferty.
Yes.
And this is our third round at looking at public speaking about the Feldenkrais method, about our work. And it will be different than the other two videos. So, all right. So here's the idea for the whole workshop today. So we're going to focus a little more on how to personally connect to prospective clients, to the public, with your own personal story and what your vision is for your practice. You have anything to add?
Just that it's going to be, I'm probably just taking the words right out of her mouth, that it's going to be interactive. You're going to be engaged in different embodied kinds of ways today. Like our other workshops, this really piggybacks on that. The other ones started about how to give a public talk, and this is about how to personalize that and bring it forwards more in the world.
So you'll want to have a paper and pencil handy, even though this is being recorded and you can come back to the recording later. This workshop is going to be using a lot of writing practice, short little writing practices that is going to help with your public speaking. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about building your practice and what you the prep work you need before building your practice. Some of you have been in practice a long time. This may be about just rebranding yourself or getting clear on what your directions are. My